Hello everyone, welcome to the Laravel Tips and Tricks. So today video is about how we can open a specific route when there is no route found. So it means that when there is no match found in the route files, we want to open a specific route. Someone asked this question on the Stack Overflow, and here this guy explained it for the Laravel and for the Lumen, right? So now let's implement this, and then I will suggest the better option for you. Okay, let's go here, and then you need to add this route. Okay, and then you need to implement this any here. Oops, any, and then this any except a callback here. So let's call this callback, and then you need to return. Here you can return a blade file. I'm just returning a string for demonstration purposes. So you can return a blade where you can show the user that there is no match found. So a pretty web page. So if I give it a refresh, it's going to work as expected. And if I type a dummy URL, so it's going to return the any, right? So I give it a refresh, and yes, it's returning any, right? And then here you need to specify this where condition, and we need this basically wildcard. So someone also suggested that you can add a slug here and like this, right? So we don't need this. Laravel added a fallback here. So this fallback route is used for when there is no matching found in the route file. So it's going to execute this fallback, right? So now let's implement this. So here I'm going to remove this route, and then you need to call fallback, and this fallback accept a callback. Okay, and then here you need to return this out. So here I'm going to return fallback. Okay, now let's save this one and go here and give it a refresh. So it's going to return the fallback, and yes, it's returning fallback. So it means that if there is no match found in the routes file, so it's going to open the fallback. It's going to execute the fallback. So here you can also return a view file. So let me open a view. I'm going to open this welcome file, right? So now let's give it refresh. So it's going to open the welcome file, and yes, so it's opened this Laravel welcome blade. If you want to get these type of tips on the daily basis, so subscribe the YouTube channel and stay connected. You will get notified at 11 AM according to the Pakistan time. So I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.